Now, students of class 8, if the sum will be in this form, a square minus 2a plus 1 equals to 0 given. Find the value of a to the power 15 plus 1 by a to the power 15. So, what to do? From this one, what is given from this equation, we have to find out the value of a. Now, you have noticed here it is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. How? We can write it in this form: a square minus 2 into a into 1 plus 1 square equals to 0. That means a minus b, a minus 1 whole square equals to 0. Therefore, a minus 1 equals to 0. Value of a is coming 1. Now here you have to find out the value of this. So in place of 1, put this. So 1 to the power 15. If you multiply 1 15 times, 1000 times, 100 times, it will become 1 only. And here also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Clear? But I am telling here, if the question is in this form, there is plus, clear? Then it is given, suppose find the value of this. I am changing here the power. A to the power 15 by 8 plus 1 by a to the power 12. Suppose it is there. Now from here, what we can write? A square plus 2 into a into 1 plus 1 square equal to 0. This is coming a plus b whole square formula. Clear? A plus b whole square equal to 0. That means a plus 1 equals to 0. A value of a is coming minus 1. Now keep it in mind. I am putting over here minus 1 to the power 15 plus 1 by minus 1 to the power 12. If the value is plus 1, then no problem. There is power is odd or even, you will have no problem. But here you see, power is odd number. So minus 1. If you multiply odd times, suppose 3 times or 7 times or 15 times or 9 times, then your sign will become negative. Clear? And if you multiply negative number, any negative number even times, then your power will become plus. So this answer will change. It will become 0. You will keep it in mind when the value is coming negative. Clear? Now next one. Find the continued product of the following. Okay. If the sum is in this time. Now find the continued product. Don't try to multiply only. Then for to do this sum only 2 hours will go. So for 50 marks paper you will solve only 1. Clear? So you have to apply the formula. We know the formula. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Clear? Then rest of the terms copy. Next, again a square minus b square form. So it is becoming this. Again a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. Here also a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. There a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. Here again a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. So So your answer is coming this. So only by three or four steps we can complete it by using formula. But if we multiply simply, then 2 hours it will take. Okay. Then if it will come next, express as the product of two expression. Okay. If the sum is this type, express as the product of two expressions. Suppose it is given in this form, x square minus 6xy plus 9y square minus 25. Clear? You have to find out, you have to express this as a product of two expressions. So here you see, if I take these terms together, then it will become in this form, x square minus 2 into x into 3y plus 3y whole square. Clear? I have arranged it in that form, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and 25 means 5 whole square. So this one I can write a minus b whole square, and that is minus 5 whole square. You have to express this, express as the product of two expression. So what to do? We'll apply the formula of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Now you see, we have got two expressions, and into that means this is the product of two expressions. Clear? Your sum was different and it was told that express as the product of two expressions. So here I have expressed this as the product of two expressions. Clear? If the sum is in this form, same, express as the product of two expressions. Next one, a square plus 2ax plus x square minus 9. Then again these three terms take together, a square plus 2 into a into x plus x square, and minus 9 means we can write 3 square. And this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square, and that is this. Now a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Again I have expressed as the product of two expressions. Clear? If the sum will come in this form. Everything we have completed. Now you will see the previous videos. Once solve I am showing if the solve is coming in this form. Solve x by b minus bx by a equals to a square minus b square. If the solve is this. So first we will take the LCM. It will come a square x minus b square x. Clear? Then we can take x common from numerator. So it is becoming a square minus b square into x by ab equals to right hand side a square minus b square. Now from both sides we can cancel this. Clear? So after cancellation what we are getting x by AB. Right hand side nothing is, you don't put 0, 1 is there. Then cross multiply. Therefore value of x is coming, AB into 1 means AB. Clear? So I have made 3 revisional videos, you will check it. Bye.